everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox my Aliexpress packages. I already unboxed them because I was really excited. Oh, okay.
Look.
So I already unboxed a few items and one of them is really gross actually. It's this little clip one. And
I
it's
should not be touching this, but
it's powdery and that's gross. At least it's not broken. But still, that's really gross. Yeah, and I bought a few.
I'm gonna go desanitize it.
Yeah, thanks. So yes, without further ado, let's begin.
Oh, that means there's multiple things in there.
Yeah, I just felt something inside here. Yes! It's my little scrunchie. See, para el
That's
pelo.
cute.
Right?
Can you more down? That's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They're all just for hair.
I'll wear something today. Ooh.
Ooh, oh no, it cracked. Look.
Oh yeah. We're gonna have to fight it. Good luck.
That sucks. Yeah. This. Look cuter online.
It looks cheap.
Nah, I like it, yeah.
Looks big.
Real oh, my head is big.
You can remove this paper, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's see how it looks. Am I supposed to remove it? Oh, that was nice. Okay, fine. I'm gonna remove. Ah! Maybe if I do this, do you think that'll look?
Yeah, is it like that?
Yeah, it's like this. But it could also be like this.
It's the same. It's just different books, so the same. Oh.
And now it won't fall.
Let me put the candle. Cute.
It's nice. It came with a pair. Like a second one.
Oh, you didn't know?
There's one item that didn't arrive, but they told me that they're gonna give me a refund and just to send my PayPal. Hopefully my PayPal doesn't get hacked or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I've always wanted something like this because it's really cute and adorable. I think I'm gonna make a bun today and then like do it like this. I don't know. These came out nice and cute too. These little hair clips.
Ooh, hopefully this doesn't ruin the thing. Oh, it says handmade.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna have to clean this part too.
Okay, wow, this is nice.
This is cute though. Are you gonna wear something?
Yes. I'm gonna wear this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a bun and wear this.
Now I want accessories.
That one your accessory?
Now I want hair accessories.
Girl, when I got my hair curled, it was like, I want to buy everything
And now
for my
you're
hair.
like, eh.
I'm the same. I still want accessories. It's all wet here in the background. Dang. Ooh, it's sturdy too. Urgh. And it's yellow. I'm starting to like yellow mold.
Really
That's really gross.
Let's see if we can see right here. I do see this corner right here.
You're moving, I'm moving. Oh yeah, I see the little, oh, that's gross. Wow.
Look, it's like,
Ew.
maybe don't buy these ones, guys.
Yeah, don't.
You're like, I'm still gonna wear it though.
Yeah, I am. Alright, so that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like button if you like these types of content.
We'll just put it.
Yeah, we'll throw it away. If you like this type of content, hit subscribe if you like my videos. And hit that bell notification to know when I upload. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.